In this lockdown period, let us unlock our brain and mind to fly, to feed information and knowledge. All are welcome to Lockdown Mastermind 001, LMM 001. This program is meant for informative and recreational purpose, and it is not compulsory you have to do it. I am Shibu Joseph. Let us start our quiz program. Where is the headquarters of UNESCO located? A. Paris, B. Geneva, C. London, D. The Hague. Next question. What is the study of cancer known as? A. Pulmonology, B. Nephrology, C. Neurology, D. Oncology. Third question. When is World Book and Copyright Day celebrated? A. April 7, B. April 20, C. April 23, D. April 30. Library is closely related to books. Now moving to the fourth question. Who was the first woman prime minister in the world? A. Margaret Thatcher, B. Sirimavo Bandaranaike, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Angela Merkel. Moving to the fifth question. In which year was the Quit India movement launched? A. 1920, B. 1930, C. 1945, D. 1942. Sixth question. The decisive Battle of Vandy Wash 1760 was won by A. the British, B. the French, C. the Dutch, D. the Marathas. Be ready. Seventh question. Who among the following presented Union Budget the maximum number of times? A. P. Chidambaram, B. Arun Jaitley, C. Morarji Desai, D. Dr. Manmohan Singh. Eighth question. Where will be the next Olympics held? It is very easy question. A. London, B. Tokyo, C. Beijing, D. Paris. Ninth question. Who wrote the book Arthashastra? Kaudilya, B. Ashoka, C. Panini, D. Asghosha. 10th question. Which gas is the lightest of all gases? A. Helium, B. Hydrogen, C. Nitrogen, D. Oxygen. 11th question. By area, which is the largest state in India? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Rajasthan, D. Madhya Pradesh. Who bagged the Nobel Prize for Peace in 2019? A. Abhijit Banerjee, B. Abiy Muhammad Ali, C. Nadia Murad, D. Denis Mukwege. He changed the world, he changed the nation. Now we're coming to the 13th question. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Satyendranath Tagore, B. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, C. Acharya Kripalani, D. Sukumar Sen. 14th question. The instrument for measuring the amount of humidity in the atmosphere is A. Hygrometer, B. Hydrometer, C. Heliometer, D. Bathymeter. 15th question. The theme of Earth Day 2020 was. We recently observed this day. The theme A. Save for species, B. Climate action, C. Air pollution, D. Mother Earth. 16th question. Identify the person below who got the Raman Magsaysay Award in 2019. 17th question. This is a famous quotation. Who said these words? Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. John F. Kennedy, C. Abraham Lincoln, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Identify the person owning this voice.
I want the young people to understand how to manage the failure. Because any task you do, you have to come across problem. Problem should not become the captain of the individual or the project chief. The project chief should become the captain of the problems and defeat the problem and succeed.
With all respect, I bow my head before you. 90th question. Who got Oscar Award for the Best Actor in 2020? A. Jim Caviezel, B. Joaquin Phoenix, C. Ranveer Singh, D. Antonio Banderas. 20th question. Identify the sculptor who made this world-renowned sculpture in 1498-1499. The sculpture is still living. Pianta. Question number 21. Identify the person owning this voice.
Proclaim the good news to the poor, that God loves them, that we love them, that they are somebody to us, that they too have been created by the same loving hand of God, to love and to be loved.
From the bottom of my heart, I salute you. 22nd question. Who is the Director General of WHO? World Health Organization. A. Antonio Guterres, B. Tedros Adhanom, C. Kristalina Georgieva, D. Dr. Soumya Swaminathan. Question number 23. What does COVID-19 stand for? A. Coronavirus disease 2019, B. Coronavirus disaster 2019, C. Corona Wuhan death 2019, D. Coronavirus disease 1919. Now move to the next question. The Epidemic Disease Act, whose provisions were recently invoked by the Center to combat the COVID-19 pandemic, was passed in A. 2020, B. 1947, C. 1857, D. 1897. The last question, 25th question. The full form of ICMR is A. Indian Congress of Medicine and Research, B. Indian Congregation of Maths and Research, C. Indian Council of Medical Research, D. Indian Council of Money Research. This is the end of Lockdown Mastermind 001. Stay home and be safe. Thank you.